Dear God, thank you for the opportunity to meet together. Please help us to come together to make this institution reflect your kingdom. Breathe life into our ideas and decisions. Help us build a team that has love and respect at its heart. Give us the strength to continue working for your kingdom in this time of pandemic. Lord, come give us the inspiration to be the best we can be. May we be a shining example of your goodness and truth within, wherever we are. Inspire our thoughts, discussions, and ideas, and continue to remind us that all that we do here today, all that we accomplish, is for the pursuit of truth for the greater glory of you. We ask these things in your name. Amen.
Jump up, everybody, because it's time to move your feet and boogie to the beat with Ready, Set, Dance! Everybody, everywhere, wave your hands up in the air. Now we're ready and we're set to Ready, Set, Dance! Check this out, twirl! Nice! How about this one, Freeze? Ice cold! I could dance all day! Follow us so you know what to do! You can join in at home! And you can bust a move too! Let's go! Ready, set, dance! Let's twist! Twist now! Crisscross! Criss and cross and in and out! Let's run! With high knees! Shake it out! Twirl with twirl! And freeze with freeze! 5, 6, 7, 8! Everybody, everywhere, wave your hands up in the air. Now we're ready and we're set to dance. Every boy and every girl, everywhere around the world, we're all ready, we're all set to dance. Ready, set, dance!
Hello, grade 2 pupils! Welcome to our week 11 lessons of our mathematics class. To formally start our discussion today, kindly get your mathematics book for your reference. Okay, so for this week, we will discuss the lesson 3, multiplying one-digit numbers. Okay, so let us read the problem first. James will bake some cookies for his 4 friends. He wants each of his friends to have 6 cookies. How many cookies must James bake for his friends? Okay, so let's look closely at the following. Okay, so you have here cookies. Okay, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, so equals 24, or 4 times 6 equals 24. Okay, so to help you multiply one-digit numbers fast, you need to memorize the multiplication facts. Okay, so let us read the multiplication facts. Then, after that one, let's give the missing products. Okay, so the facts are 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay. The facts are 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. The facts of 4. 1 times 4 equals 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. The facts of 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so let us try to answer the missing multiplication facts. Okay, so for the multiplication facts of 2, okay, let's continue. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 16. 9 times 2 equals 18. Okay, the multiplication facts of 3. 5 times 3 equals 15. 6 times 3 equals 18. 7 times 3 equals 21. 8 times 3 equals 24. 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, the facts of 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. 6 times 4 equals 24. 7 times 4 equals 28. 8 times 4 equals 32. 9 times 4 equals 36. Okay, the multiplication facts of 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. Okay, then let's supply the missing facts of 6. Okay, so 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 6 equals 30. Then 6 times 6 equals 36. 7 times 6 equals 42. 8 times 6 equals 48. 9 times 6 equals 54. Okay, so let's move to multiplication facts of 7. Okay, 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. 3 times 7 equals 21. 4 times 7 equals 28. 5 times 7 equals 35. Okay, 6 times 7 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 8 times 7 equals 56. And 9 times 7 equals 63. Okay, so let's move to multiplication facts of 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 times 1 equals 2 times 8 equals 16. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 8 equals 32. And 5 times 8 equals 40. 6 times 8 equals 48. 7 times 8 equals 56. 8 times 8 equals 64. 9 times 8 equals 72. And let's move to multiplication facts of 9. 1 times 9 equals 9. 2 times 9 equals 18. 3 times 9 equals 27. 4 times 9 equals 36. 5 times 9 equals 45. 6 times 9 equals 54. 7 times 9 equals 63. 8 times 9 equals 72. And 9 times 9 equals 81. Okay, so those are the multiplication facts of numbers 2 to 9. Okay, so based on the given facts, can you give the multiplication facts of 10? Okay, so the multiplication facts of 10 equals 1 times 10 equals 10, 2 times 10 equals 20, 3 times 10 equals 30, 4 times 10 equals 40, 5 times 10 equals 50, 6 times 10 equals 60, 7 times 10 equals 70, 8 times 10 equals 80, 9 times 10 equals 90, and 10 times 10 equals 100. Okay, so you need to memorize the multiplication facts so that you can multiply easily. Okay, so the multiplication facts of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 can help you multiply the numbers fast. Okay, so during our virtual discussion, I will let you memorize the multiplication facts. 2 to 10. Okay, so let's move to lesson 4, multiplying 2 to 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Okay, so let us read this one. Joy has to prepare 41 invitation for the guests to the school foundation day. Each invitation has 5 pages. How many pages will Joy prepare? So to find the answer, we will multiply 41 by 5. Okay, so this one, 41 times 5. Okay, so you need to follow the step. Okay, so step 1, you will multiply the ones. Okay, so what are the numbers that are in ones place? So this one, 1 and 5. Okay, so 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, so you will write your answer or the product under ones place. Okay, step 2, multiply the tens. Okay, so 4, this is the kanang number, the digit in tens place. So 4 times 5 is 20. So Joy will prepare 205 pages of invitation. Okay, so let us study this example. Okay, 213 times 3. Okay, so you will multiply the ones. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. Then step 2, you will multiply the tens. Okay, so 1 is in tens place. So 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, in step 3, you will multiply the hundreds. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, the answer 213 times 3 is 639. Okay, so another example. This one, 367 times 2. Okay, so first multiply the ones, then regroup. Okay, 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, so you will regroup. So you will bring down 4 and carry 1. Okay, next, multiply the tens. Add the regroup digit, then regroup if needed. Okay, 6 times 2 is 12. Then plus the regroup, you will add the regroup digit. So which is 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, you need to regroup again. So you will write here 3 and 1 here. Okay, next step, you need to multiply the hundreds. Add the regroup digits if any. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6 plus the regroup which is 1. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore, 367 times 2 is 734. Okay, so in multiplying a 2 to 3 digit number by 1 digit number, you will write the numbers vertically. Make sure that the digits are aligned according to their place values. Multiply the ones, write the answer in ones column. Then if the product is 10 or more, you need to regroup to the next higher place value. Then repeat the same step to multiply the tens and the hundreds digit. Add the regroup digit if there is any. Okay, so let us try to answer exercise. Let's practice. Letter A. Find the product. Okay, here. Okay, so 32 times 3. Okay, so you will multiply first 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, here. 42 times 5. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, you need to regroup. You write here 0. Then add, you will write here also 1. Okay, so 4 times 5 is 20. Plus the regroup digit, which is 1, that is 21. Okay, 422 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Then, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, here, 571 times 2. Okay, so 1 times 2 is 2. 7 times 2 is 14. You need to regroup. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus the regroup digit, which is 1. That is 11. Okay, no need to regroup because there is no more digit here. Okay, next, 634 times 3. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, regroup, 2 and 1. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. Plus the regroup digit, which is 1, that is 10. Okay, regroup again, 0, 1. Okay, 6 times 3 is 18. Plus the regroup digit, which is 1, that is 19. Okay, so let us proceed to the next topic, Lesson 5. Solving word problems on multiplication of whole numbers. Okay, so let us read the problem. Dan, Jim, and Ruth are balloon vendors. Each of them has 12 balloons to sell. How many balloons do they have in all? Okay, so to solve the problem, we need to follow the steps. Okay, so in solving the problem, you have the steps. You need to understand the problem first. Then, you need to plan, then solve. Okay, so under understanding the problem, you have here, what are facts in the given problem? Facts are the numbers. Okay, so you have there 12 balloons and 3 vendors. Okay, what do you want to find out? You need to find out the total number of balloons. So what clues are given? Each and in all. Okay, so what operation will you use? Okay, the operation we are going to use is multiplication. Then, you need to plan. You will write the number sentence. Okay, so 12 times 3 equals question mark, or you could write 12 times 3 equals n. Okay, so to solve the number sentence, you need to write the numbers in column or vertically. Okay, so here, 12 times 3. Okay, first you need to multiply the ones. Okay, 2 times 3 equals 6. Then step 2, multiply the tens. Okay, 1 times 3 is 33. Okay, so therefore the answer is 36. Then you will write the complete answer. Right? Okay. The vendors have 36 balloons in all. Okay, so you can also draw a diagram to solve the same problem. Okay, first you need to draw and level the rectangle showing the number of items in one set. Okay, so one set 12 balloons. Okay, draw the same size of rectangle as many times as the number of sets in the problem. Okay, so you have 3 sets. Okay, for Dan, Jim, and Rude. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Write the number sentence for the problem. 12 times 3 equals question mark. Okay, to solve 12 times 3, 36. Then you will state the complete answer. The vendors have 36 balloons in all. Okay, so to solve the word problems on multiplication, follow the following steps. First, you need to understand the problem, know what the given facts are, what is asked in the problem, what clue or clues is given or are given, and what operation to use. Then, the second step is you need to plan by writing the number sentence for the problem. The number 3 or the third step, you need to solve the number sentence and state the complete answer. Okay, so let's proceed to lesson 6, series of operation. You have there the multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so let us read the problem first. May bought 2 pads of paper with 90 sheets of paper per pad. When she checked her bag, she saw 12 extra sheets of paper. In class, her friends borrowed 20 sheets of paper for their writing activity. How many sheets of paper does May have left? Okay, so what operation will you use to solve the problem? So, the problem involves 3 operations: the multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so let us study the following. Okay, step 1. You have there 2 pads of paper with 90 sheets of paper per pad. Okay, so you will multiply 90 times 2. Okay, so 0 times 2 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. So therefore, you have 180 sheets of paper. Then step 2. 180 sheets of paper plus 12 extra sheets. Okay, you need to add. Okay, 180 plus 12 equals 192. Sorry. So, you have now 192 sheets of paper. Okay. And step 3, 192 sheets and 20 sheets given to her friends. Okay, so you need to subtract 192 minus 20. So you have now 172 sheets of paper left. So therefore, May has 172 sheets of paper left. So in solving the number sentence that involve multiplication, addition, and subtraction, multiply first before adding and subtracting. Okay, so you need to multiply first, then add, then subtract. Addition and subtraction are done from left to right. Okay, so let us study this example. Okay, you have here 35 times 3 plus 2 plus 63 minus 72. Okay, so you need to multiply first. So, 35 times 3 plus 63 minus 72. Okay, so 35 times 3 is 105 plus 63 minus 72. Okay, so 105 plus 63 is 168. Okay, 168 minus 2, 72 is 96. Okay, another example. You have here 61 times 4 minus 82 plus 15. Okay, multiply first. 61 times 4. Okay, you have 244 minus 82 plus 15. So, 244 minus 82 is 162. Plus 15 is 177. Okay, so it is important to follow the correct arrangement in solving operation to get the correct answer. So, in the series of operation involving multiplication, addition, and subtraction, perform first the multiplication before addition and subtraction. Then, addition and subtraction are done from left to right. Okay. Okay, so let us try to answer. Let's practice letter A, number 1. Okay, you will solve the following series of operation. Show your solution in your notebook. Write your final answer inside the boxes. Okay, so for number 1, you need to multiply first. Okay, so 29 times 4 minus 33 plus 19. Okay, so 29 times 4, this is the solution, minus 33 plus 19. Okay, so 29 times 4, that is 116. Okay, so 116 minus 33. This is how you will answer your activity. Plus 19. Okay, so 116 minus 33 is it's 83. Okay, 83 plus 19. Okay, 83 plus 19 is 102. Okay, very good. It's 102. Okay. You write here 102. Okay, so for the rest of the items, you answer it by yourself. Okay, that would be all for this week, grade 2 pupils. I hope you have learned something new today. And if you have any questions or clarification, don't hesitate to message me in my messenger account, or you can raise your question during our virtual discussion. Thank you and God bless everyone!